Today, we will check how to use the AliExpress app for online shopping. First of all, you need to install the AliExpress app on your mobile phone, and once the app is installed, click on the icon to open it. After opening the app, you will be asked to select your country or region. Once selected, tap on Continue. Next, it will ask you to register your account if you're a new user or select the available option to continue. Once you are successfully registered, it will ask you to enter your phone number and tap on Submit. It will then redirect you to the AliExpress app homepage. Now let's start exploring the homepage. Here you will find deals and offers, and if you scroll down, the products are listed here. At the top, you can see the search bar, which you can use to find products using keywords. You can also tap on the camera icon to scan or upload an image to search for a product. There's also the categories menu. Here, swipe to find the category that is related to your requirements, and once you find it, tap on it to open. On the homepage, as you scroll down, you will see different products, deals, and offers, which are usually based on your interests and region. Let's select one to open. For example, if I tap on this one, it will open the product on a new page. Here, you will see that the seller has added a video, which you can play, or you can check the images they uploaded. So confirm that the product is exactly what you are looking for. After that, check the price and any discounts available on the product. Next, check the product reviews left by users, along with ratings and the number of orders. If the product has good ratings, it means the product is reliable. The next important step is to check the shipping details. Here, you can see if delivery is free at your location or if charges are applied. Also, check the delivery time it will take. This may change depending on your location, so make sure your location is correctly selected. There is also a reviews section where buyers have shared their experiences, so check for your satisfaction, and once everything is done, tap on the Add to Cart button. A pop-up will appear where you can select the product color or size if available and the quantity. Once everything is set, tap on the Checkout button to add it to your cart. Now let's go back to the home page, and from the bottom menu, tap on the Shop tab. Here, you will see a large number of categories listed on the right side. Scroll down to find a relevant one and open it, and you will find subcategories related to it to help you find the exact product. Next, there is the Local tab. Here, you will find all the local sellers on AliExpress, and you can find nearby options for shopping. Mostly, they offer free local shipping. Select the products, check them as we did before, and finally tap on Add to Cart. After adding the product, from the bottom menu, click on the Cart tab. Here, you can see all the products that you have added. Make sure the product is selected, and at the bottom, you will see the total charges and any discounts applied. Once everything is done, tap on Checkout, and a new tab will open on the screen. It will ask for some details, including your first and last name, your phone number, and your full address to avoid any delivery issues. Next, you will be asked to select a payment method. You can pay online or choose other payment methods. And finally, your order will be successfully placed. From the bottom menu, tap on the Account page. Here, you can see your profile details at the top. At the top, you will see your username, which AliExpress gives randomly, but you can change it. On the left side, you can see your location and settings options. In this section, you can see your history and the products that you have added to your wish list. The coupon section is very important for AliExpress users, where they list free coupons based on events, seasons, or festivals according to your region. So make sure to check it before shopping. Next, there is the Daily Express feature where you can see deals active in your country. For example, you can select 3 products for 99 cents. It may be cheaper in your area. Also, there is the coin section where you need to visit daily to receive rewards. AliExpress gives you free points daily, which you can see converted into value. Once you have enough, you can use them for shopping to get discounts. All these features will help you earn rewards on a daily basis to get deals and points. Next, you can contact the support team if you have any issues. There is also a payment section where you will see all your added payment methods and your balance. So this is a short and complete overview of the AliExpress mobile app that you can use for shopping.